Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So as we know, guys, October is about to be one of those months for the books. Just as a couple months ago, whenever we called a bullish market within the bearish market, stocks was up over 30-40% in a single day. Things was just wow. And then all of a sudden, right back down to the gutter. That's exactly what's about to take place here next, guys. It's going to happen the same way again. Nobody knows exactly how long it's going to sustain itself, so don't go asking, oh, when should I buy, when should I sell, when should I do this, when should I do that. You got to learn how to go with the flow and learn how to judge off price action. Price action is going to be the main decider on when you should be getting in and out of stocks. Bump everything else, bump all the other noise. Price action. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and take a further look, because like I told you guys, once you come out of the worst situations with life or anything, the best situation is always coming up next. So let's go ahead and put this into perspective. As we know, September last month was the worst month we had all year. In 2022, you ain't think it could get no worse. Being for the fact we was already towards the end of the year, you like, hell, it got to get better from here, but it actually got worse just last month. And like I told you guys, hey, don't be surprised. It's going to get worse again. It's going to get worse than we already seen, unless something drastically changed from here. But as we know, interest rate hikes is still coming. Inflation is still a problem, and balance sheets isn't all the way tightened how the feds want it to be. So that being said, guys, we still got a lot of downside with overall market in crypto if things doesn't change drastically from here, which I don't think a drastic change is about to happen. So be prepared. But in the mean between time, which I like to call out, these bullish markets within these bearish markets, I told you guys it could be about 3, 4, maybe even 5 of them, depending on how long the feds want to keep this up. I told you their main agenda is to get millions of retail investors that discovered and came into the market because of AMC and GME. Now they learning how to utilize this market and build wealth for their families. They trying to make sure y'all leave out with the wrong perspective of the market. Make sure y'all leave out, you buy when it's green, sell when it's red, drain your accounts, or you just holding some stocks that you liked it and now they down real bad and you end up selling for a loss and go and tell your family about it. And now they scared of the market and don't want to get involved. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, a further look. So we know stocks kick off October with a huge rally, guys. Stock kicked off October with more treats than tricks for investors. So the market rallied to begin the fourth quarter despite growing worries about the financial health of European banking. So the Dow rose 765 points or 2.7%, which was the biggest gain since mid-July, guys. So that's already letting you know something. The Nasdaq and S&P 500 gained 2.3% and 2.6% respectively. Stocks ended September in the third quarter with a resounding thud on Friday. And a sign of how volatile the market is, all but one of the 30 Dow stocks ended the day higher Monday after they all finished lower Friday. So guys, we already know. And like we know, Tesla would have been up today as well, but the numbers didn't didn't reach Wall Street expectations. And we already know what happens whenever you don't meet expectations, what they like to try to do with the price action. But no worries at all for Tesla. Tesla is going to be one of the strongest performing securities in the overall market in the near future. So if we continue to take a closer look, guys, we know that a lot of companies like Nike, Walmart, a lot of these companies is stuck with an overflow of inventory, meaning they got so much inventory that they not getting rid of at the same pace, being for the fact of what's going on in the economy. Inflation is up, people is not spending the same, and all that good stuff. So that's a major problem with these companies, guys. So if we take a even further look at some of the stocks in particular, we see Carvana ended very well today at $21.54, right near resistance. I told you guys, once Carvana break above $22.10, this bad boy is going to fly up very, very quick, guys. We could see a 20-30% spike with Carvana as soon as it break above 22.10. We also see Tilray is ready to be on the move again. Dirt cheap, very quality security that I will be keeping my eye on if I was you guys. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just letting you guys know the moves I'm making, the stocks I'm watching, and what I'm doing. So we also have what's another banger we got on the list for you guys? We also got Coinbase. Coinbase is definitely a stock that you guys want to have on your watch list. Watching Apple, Of course, Apple is a no-brainer. That's like the gold in the stock market. Also Amazon and Roku, guys. And so now if we take a further look at our other markets, we got crypto, Bitcoin sitting at $19,500. I'm loving it, guys. Steady creating higher highs on today. And we went up test resistance at 19,600. Even though we rejected it, look like, I hope we can still hold up and build support around 19,500 instead of rejecting 19,600 going back down to 18,000. We need to keep it tight. If we keep it tight, that's going to show strong signs of continuation that Bitcoin can easily shoot up to 20,000. And once Bitcoin make that move, best believe the market is going to come right behind it, guys. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.